Hi, I'm your English teacher, Linda G, and welcome to my Job Search Success Series. If you're ready to take your job search to the next level, you're going to love this series. Whether you're just starting your search or looking to refine your approach, these videos are designed to give you practical, actionable advice. Now, of course, for more information, you can also go to my website at speakenglishwithconfidencenow.com. And I've also included a discount code for any more advanced ones. Now let's get started.
Now, let's talk about the functional resume, also known as the skills-based resume. This resume focuses on your skills and your qualifications rather than the work history. Now, instead of listing jobs in order, this format groups experiences or skills into categories such as leadership skills or communication skills or project management skills. And it really does depend on the skills that are required for the job, which means looking at the job posting with a fine-tooth comb. This type of resume is useful for career changers, for recent graduates, or individuals with gaps in their employment history because it highlights the transferable skills rather than specific job titles and dates. Now, if you've gained relevant experience through volunteer work, freelancing, or side projects, a functional resume allows you to showcase those skills effectively. However, some employers prefer to see a clear work history. So it's important to ensure that this format still provides enough details about your professional background.
For more information on my services, go to speakenglishwithconfidencenow.com. I've also included a discount code in the description below for a helpful course.